Yo, guys, there's a new update on Alma Company. Why does it say error? Kaboom! Boom! Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna be testing out the new update, and I played it. So let's go check. Oh, let's go check it. But we're gonna be checking it with these robots. So let's go.
I need to do that.
We're gonna be testing it out with the new robots, which I don't know how I got them. But all I know is that we're going with this boy. Ooh, water. Oh, freaker, beaker, meeker, cheeker, trigger, reacher, beaner, seeker, weaker, beaker, seeker, seeker, breaker, wicker, sucker, breaker, bicker, ficker, nicker. No. Bro, we can barely fit through that crack. No way we can fit through here though. Bro, you gotta be kidding me. Oh no. Oh my god, I'm so lucky. Oh my gosh. Oh, get her, get her. Oh, I can swim. That's good. Good here about. I can self-destruct at any time, but oh yeah, I forgot. I can just walk on it. I can walk in it, but it'll still blink. And it just fire. Gotta go under. My slow, so. Hey. Come on. Fire back. I'm gonna step all over this. Hey, boom! We're halfway through. I bet regular player that was not in the robot would make it faster than me. Bro, it already took me like 4 minutes to get here. I don't know how long it took me, but I know it was a minute. Whatever. Oh my god. This is actually really hard. But when you have long arms like these, you're good. But it also still take you long. Oh, this part's gonna be kind of hard. The fact that I have night vision is overpowered. They should add night vision goggles. You can just put on you and then grab it to take it off. Nope, I don't need no flashlight. No flashlight. Oh my gosh, I can't see. I am scared. I don't know why though. Oh, fire, bro. Oh my god, this is fast. Oh my god, he's flying through. He's flying through. He's flying through. Oh, Victor. Bears. Come on. How does these things swim? They should be allergic to water. They should like explode when they touch water. Oh, and here we are at the vents, where I definitely love. Oh, bro, I'm scared. If I see him, I'm gonna run. Oh, actually, it does not care. Bro, he doesn't care. All right, we're gonna try to escape this place. All right, bye. Alright guys, that would be for today's video, and hope you had fun. Bye.